Hi, this is James at Proinkshop.com. I got the printer here, HP Designjet T120. Uh, Customer sold this printer to me because it showed an ink system fail message on it. And I brought it to my facility and tried to test it out, and it showed ink system fail. And I found out the reason why, because this cartridges. Customer used non-HP cartridges, which is it's not a refill, it's not remanufactured. This is a like fake cartridge they made their own way. So this one usually causes for the ink system fail because it's got too much pressure inside printhead. So when you put it in, it goes a lot of air inside, so it pops up the binder on the chamber, so it start getting loose in the air. So that's why I show the ink system fail. So as I take this cartridge out, the ink system fail message gone. It only shows the cartridge problem, which is so there was no cartridge inside. No, so now I took the printhead out, and this is what I repaired. First of all, I cleaned them all inside, and I found out there was a ink leak out from the chamber here. So on the black color, it's kind of like dark right here. So I glued actually. Actually, if you use a crazy glue to put stick it on, it's gonna fall off right away as soon as the air goes in. So actually, I used different type of glue. I don't know what it's called, but this is especially made for taping this, and then taping this, bonding this ABS and the vinyls together with LED lights on. So if anybody interested to buy these kits, these are the $50 kit that you really need this one. You're repairing the 950, 952, 962, 9711 printhead. Any printhead that's similar to this one, you will need these kits. So I actually also this bind the pressure control board. The bindings are peeled off, so I put it back on with the glue, and then I fix this, and then unclog the, because there was some color one clogged, so I unclogged it with using this pigment base and dye base in cleaning solutions. So and then I'm gonna put it back on, and then I'm gonna sell it to the customers. Actually, I cannot test it, but I know it's totally clean and then refurbish it. Because I've fixed this so many times. Because I don't have cartridge testing it. But if anybody needs to fix this printhead or interested in buying these tools for repairing the printhead, send me the message 909-815-6681. Because I didn't list it up on my website, the Proinkshop.com, Proinkshop.com. You can actually find these items on the website, because these are for the professional technicians. So if anybody interested, text me 909-815-6681. So I'm gonna put it back on right now. Just give me a sec. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back onto the printer. Let me see. Not familiar with this printer. Okay, open it up. Okay, it's supposed to come on the left side. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. just gonna say, come on. Hmm? Hmm. Okay. What? Oh, yeah. Ooh, that. Okay. Now it's the printer detect the printhead. Now showing cartridge problem. So I need just cartridge testing, but I don't have the cartridge test. So just gonna, cause my customer has a cartridge, the HP original cartridge, cause they use this printer, and I found this printer, so I asked them see if they want to have an extra one, cause this one is only use like very low page. The printer is very clean. So okay, so that's about it. So if anyone wants to fix the printhead of HP Designjet T120, which is cartridge number 711, or any similar printhead as 950, 952, 962, I can fix all those printheads. So you may you may text me 909 A1566A1 909 A1566A1. I'm in the California side, so West Coast side. So when you call me or text me, some customer calling me like 5 o'clock in the morning. I cannot answer that phone call. So call me. Bye bye.